Imagine biting into a juicy pineapple, its sweetness exploding on your tongue. Delicious, right? But what if I told you that while you're enjoying that pineapple, it's also eating you back? It sounds like a scene from a horror movie, but it's actually a fascinating example of the complex relationship between humans and food. The culprit is an enzyme found in pineapples called bromelain. Enzymes are like tiny biological machines that speed up chemical reactions. Bromelain's specialty is breaking down proteins, and guess what? Our bodies are made up mostly of protein. So when you eat pineapple, bromelain gets to work on the tender tissues inside your mouth, essentially digesting them. This is why you might feel a tingling or even burning sensation when you eat a lot of pineapple. It's the bromelain doing its job. But before you swear off this tropical treat, know that this peculiar enzyme isn't trying to harm us. On the contrary, it plays a crucial role in helping us digest our food. Bromelain is like a tiny butcher wielding molecular knives. It breaks down proteins into smaller pieces called peptides and amino acids. This process, called proteolysis, is essential for digestion because our bodies can't absorb large proteins directly. They need to be broken down into smaller pieces first. Now you might be thinking, if bromelain is digesting my mouth, wouldn't it digest my entire digestive system? Fortunately, our bodies are smarter than that. The harsh environment of our stomach, filled with strong acids, deactivates bromelain. So, while it can cause some tingling in our mouths, it doesn't pose a threat further down our digestive tract. In fact, the bromelain that survives the stomach's acid bath can actually aid in digestion. It continues to break down proteins in the small intestine, making it easier for our bodies to absorb the nutrients. This is especially helpful for people who have trouble digesting protein. The interaction between pineapple and our mouths is a fascinating paradox. The fruit is being devoured, yet it simultaneously attempts to dismantle the very thing devouring it. This microscopic battle between enzyme and tissue highlights the dynamic interplay between the foods we consume and our own biological makeup. The tingling sensation, often described as fuzzy or itchy, is evidence of this ongoing battle. It's a reminder that the food we eat isn't passively absorbed. It actively interacts with our bodies, triggering a cascade of biological processes. But this isn't unique to pineapple. Many fruits contain enzymes that contribute to their unique flavors and textures. For example, kiwi fruit contains actinidin, another protein-dissolving enzyme that can cause a tingling sensation similar to bromelain. While the tingling sensation might seem unpleasant, it's actually a sign that bromelain is doing its job. By breaking down proteins in the mouth, it jump-starts the digestive process. This can be particularly beneficial for people with digestive issues. In fact, bromelain is often extracted from pineapples and used in dietary supplements to aid digestion. It's also used in meat tenderizers because its protein-dissolving abilities can help break down tough muscle fibers. However, the amount of bromelain in a typical serving of pineapple isn't enough to cause any significant digestive upset. The tingling sensation is usually temporary and disappears once you've finished eating. Bromelain's talents extend beyond digestion. It has shown promise in other areas of human health, including reducing inflammation, fighting certain types of cancer, and even aiding in wound healing. Studies suggest that bromelain can help reduce inflammation by interfering with the production of certain inflammatory molecules. This anti-inflammatory effect has led to its use in treating conditions like sinusitis and arthritis. Furthermore, research indicates that bromelain might possess anti-cancer properties. It appears to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and even promote their death. The relationship between humans and pineapples, mediated by the peculiar enzyme bromelain, reveals a fascinating interplay between biology and cuisine. It's a reminder that the foods we consume are not passive substances. They actively interact with our bodies, triggering a complex cascade of biological processes. The tingling sensation we experience when eating pineapple is a testament to this dynamic interaction. It's a tangible reminder of the invisible world of enzymes and their crucial role in digestion and overall health. So the next time you enjoy a slice of pineapple, remember that you're not just indulging in a delicious treat. You're participating in a complex dance of nature, where the food you eat is as alive and dynamic